Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and confirming location permission so routes are accurate. Tap the search bar, type your destination, and press directions, then choose your starting point if not current location. Select the travel mode. Driving shows road-based options because that affects available fastest routes and lane data. Once done, you'll immediately see alternative paths listed with times. Make sure to glance at traffic colors and the estimated time, since those drive the fastest route decision. Now compare the offered routes. Look at ETA, distance, and traffic shading. Red means heavy delay, green means clear. Tap each alternate route to preview the detailed path, noting specific road names and any required turns, because a slightly longer distance can still be faster with less congestion. If you want to avoid tolls or highways, open Route Options and toggle Avoid Tolls or Avoid Highways. This recalculates fastest viable choices. Once you select one, Maps highlights turn-by-turn guidance. Finally, tap Start to begin live navigation and follow voice prompts. Google Maps updates ETA continuously using live traffic so your chosen route stays current. If heavy congestion appears, Maps may suggest an alternate and ask to reroute, except when faster. Make sure your mobile data and GPS stay enabled and mount your device safely. If the app picks a suboptimal path, refresh the route, toggle Avoid Options, or restart the app. This typically resolves GPS or caching errors and restores the true fastest route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.